What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to unlock your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, Redmi Note 11 or any of the Xiaomi smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password and you are logged out of your device. So here we go. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you need to do this from the settings or perform a hard reset. But since you are logged out of your device, you cannot go to the settings and remove the PIN password if you no longer remember it and your fingerprint data is not working for whatever reason. So here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can perform a hard reset right from the lock screen. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on the device will be deleted, and if you were using your Google account on the device, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential before you start using the device again. So let's assume here I am at my lock screen and I no longer remember the PIN. So the first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Just tap on power off twice. Now when the device is switched off, what you need to do, you need to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them like this. Wait for a while. Once the Mi logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing the volume up until this screen appears. So now we are inside the recovery menu of our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and one of the options is wipe data. So you can use the volume keys to navigate between the options. So just go to the wipe data and after that press the power key to select it. On the next screen, once again use volume down to go to wipe all data. Press the power key one more time. It will show you this warning message that this action cannot be undone and it will wipe all of the data from your device. So once again use the volume down to go to confirm and press the power key one more time. And the data wiping is completed. Just press the power key to go back to the main menu. Press the power key to reboot the device. Press it one more time and now the device will reboot. Once the rebooting is finished, we will start totally fresh with our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G here. We will have to do all of the setups and everything one more time, and after that we will see whether we really got the access back to our smartphone or not. So now I'm going to go through the setup, and after that we will see whether it is going to ask for the PIN again or not. So you can see it is asking me to set up the screen lock one more time. That means the previous one is gone. But let's finish the process and let's see whether we are going to get the access back to our device or not. And here we go. So you can see that we got the access back to our Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. It is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen PIN. Everything is gone and we are starting totally fresh with our device with no more PIN password on our device. So this is how you can gain the access back to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G or any of the Xiaomi smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password, the fingerprint data is not working for whatever reason, and you are logged out of your device. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.